Hello friend, so today we will discuss one more question from LeetCode May challenge, and the question is ransom node. So given an arbitrary ransom node string and another string containing letter from all the magazines, write a function that will return true if the ransom node can be constructed from the magazine, otherwise it will return false. Each letter in the magazine string can only be used once in your ransom node. So let's say our ransom node is A and magazine is B, so it will return false because magazine does not contain letter A, right? In this case we can see that our ransom node is A and magazine is AB, but the count of A is equal to 2, but only one A is present here, so this is not possible, right? What if let's say, okay, I can't write it. Let's say if the input is ABA, so it will return true because the count of A is equal to 2 and count of A in magazine is also equal to 2. So basically order doesn't matter. It is not necessary that we need a like substring. We don't require to match the substring. We only need to check if the character is present and the count of character should be less than greater than equal to ransom node count. So let's take another example. So in input 3 you can see that the ransom node is A or magazine is AAB, so it is true. If magazine is like ABA, still it is true only, right? Okay, so either in this case we need to check only two condition. First condition will be that ransom node character, all character of ransom node should be present in magazine, and other condition is that the count uh, the count of ransom node character, each character should be present in magazine, right? Should be same or greater in magazine. Basically it's mean that let's say in ransom node the input is like AABB, and in magazine if the input is like ABAB, still it will return true. If the magazine is like AAABBB, still it will return true, because we have already satisfying both the condition that the count of each character like in ransom node is already present in magazine. So let's see how we can implement it. So we can either import a counter, or we can build our dictionary. So let's take two dictionary, D1 for ransom node and D2 for magazine, and one is for ransom node, and then we will append all the character of ransom node in. For W in ransom node we will say D1 of W equal to D1 dot get W comma 0 plus 1. So what does this mean? This means that let's say in first iteration, if the character is not present in dictionary, then it will append the value plus 1. So let's take an example. Okay, first write me the code, then I will do the dry run. And for magazine part, we will write for W in magazine, we will do the same, just call dictionary to t2 dot get W one. If we don't give this condition, then it will return the error. We will see that we will run this part, okay, and then finally we will run a loop over ransom node for I in ransom node. We need to check two conditions. So first condition is if I not in magazine. If I is not present in magazine, if a particular character is not present in magazine, we will return false, right? Or we will check if d1 of w, d1 of I is greater than d2 of I, then we will return false. What does this condition means? This means, let's say in ransom node the count of A is 5 and in magazine the count of A is 4, so it will return false, right? So we will return false in these two condition, otherwise it will return true, okay. So let's first take why we need d1 dot get and how it's work. So let's say let's this is our node. Okay, so let's say for we declare a dictionary, and for w in ransom node, if we simply do d of w is equal to d of w plus 1, so we can see that this dictionary is initially it does not contain anything. That's why it will return key error, right? Name error, ransom node not defined. Okay, yeah. So you can see that it is giving the key error. So if we add implement get, then we will not get the key error and the dictionary will be like this, right? Okay, so let's submit this code. I think it will correct. Okay, thank you.